Hey everybody, welcome to Cooking with LYNQ. Today I am going to be making a little something special for Valentine's Day. A little surprise I'm going to make for my kids. I'm going to make some chocolate covered strawberries and I will be adding our Invincible. So first step is you just fill up a bowl with water and just put it in the freezer. The next thing we're going to do is on a double boiler, we're going to put some chocolate chips and melt it. And then we're going to do the same with some white chocolate. Now in the dark chocolate, I'm going to be adding some of our Invincible and just mix it in until it's fully soft and melted. And then you're going to dip some strawberries inside. The next thing you're going to do is take your strawberries and just make sure that your chocolate is well melted. And you're going to dip them one by one and just place it on a cookie sheet lined with wax paper. So then you take your white chocolate and you can either put it in a piping bag or you can just drizzle it with your spoon like I'm gonna do. And I'm just gonna drizzle it on top of the white chocolate. What you're gonna do is you're going to flip it over and then we're gonna drizzle chocolate just to kind of make the shape of a basket to put the other chocolates on. We're just gonna let it set for a little bit. And then when we take off the ice, it'll be left with like a little chocolate roll. Once it dries, you can actually just pull it right off. And it makes like a little bit of a nest. We have our chocolates from before that we can now decorate onto a little dish. And that's it. Please like and subscribe and share our videos and try it out, test out this recipe and let us know how you like it.